Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling snapshots in the launcher, because snapshots are the only official way to load a snapshot build. Do that now. Once done, quit the game and make a full backup of the world folder, copy it to desktop or a backup drive. Make sure to note your current release version number, since snapshot saves may change world format. This prevents irreversible data loss and lets you test safely without risking your live world. Now create a new profile in the launcher specifically for the snapshot you want. Name it clearly so you won't confuse it with your release profile. Select the exact snapshot version number. Don't just pick latest if you need stability, and save. Launch Minecraft with that profile once. This generates snapshot-specific game files and libraries. After it finishes loading, close the game. Then copy your backed-up world into the snapshot saves folder. Finally, open the copied world using the snapshot profile and allow Minecraft to convert the world files. This is the only supported way to move a live world into a snapshot. If you encounter errors or crashes, immediately restore the backup and try a different snapshot or load a fresh world to isolate the issue. Make sure to check the game log for conversion error messages and keep both the converted save and original backup with clear date labels for recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.